Fixing Visa gift card not working online is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can fix Visa gift card not working online. So sometimes you buy a Visa gift card and whenever you try to put it online, it does not work. So there could be several reasons. The first reason could be there is not enough money in it. So you just have to make sure if it has enough money. So the second problem could be you are putting some wrong details. Just make sure that if you are putting the right details. Now the third problem could be your Visa gift card is not activated. So how can you activate it? So in order to activate your Visa gift card, you need to look at the packaging. In the packaging, there must be a phone number or an email, their customer service number or stuff. So you just have to call them and let them know that this Visa specific Visa card is not working. Try to kindly activate it, and they will activate it for you. That's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this very helpful.